Hey, nice ride.
Yeah, thanks. Hey man, any chance you lower that bridge for us?
Nope, not a chance.
Oh, come on, man.
Can't. Generator's out.
Down into the park.
Reloading. Hey, watch out!
That zombie's carrying something.
I'm gonna reload.
Reloading.
Reload.
Look out!
Look out now! Hey, I'm reloading.
We can get around through this store. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna go back and shoot that jackass.
You got to pull yourself together.
Up these stairs. Adrenaline shot here.
I hear one of those little things.
Jockey! Stick it up your ass!
Let's see what's in here.
Reloading!
Down this alley.
Second pistol. We have to get upstairs.
Reload! Pipe bomb, baby.
Across the wall. Go! Charger! Reloading.
I'm gonna reload. Reloading.
Careful. See the bride just like this. Not again. Here comes the bride.
Y'all get ready now. Reloading. Look out. Hey, look out. Reloading.
Hold on, I'm coming. We don't have time for this. Get up.
Get up, get up.
Time to move. Let's go.
Reloading. Reloading.
Bills. Okay, it's gonna last for a bit.
This ain't how I thought it would go.
Hey, I'm reloading. Okay, as far as wins go, that was the most exciting. I'm gonna reload.
I need MA 陣が
Safe passes in the building. Healing. No! Smoker.
No gain.
I need every one of you inside now.
Shit.
Yes!
this running we've been doing, I bet I lost, what, 5 pounds?
Well, anybody who survives this shit is gonna be in great shape.
No.
Everybody ready?
Ammo here. Okay, we ready?
Positively.
Yes.
Why, yes.
Ammo here. Everybody grab a weapon. Lead on. Coach. Try again, champ.
Jimmy Gibbs Jr., we're coming for you, baby.
Reloading.
Hey, look out!
Reloading. Reloading.
Go, go, go!
Down into the construction site.
I'm gonna reload.
In here. Pills here.
Careful, smoker.
Grabbing a bile bomb.
I like the way this guy attacks. Reloading.
This way.
Open it up. I'm on my way.
Thanks, Coach.
Hurry up, over this plank.
Down here. Yep. Looks like the tour is in the jazz club.
This is a real...
Sorry, coach.
Nice shot, Ace. Molotov!
I need some help!
Charlie Kirk, we carry the flame.
So we find this historic section, go under the river, and then we kick that biker dude's ass, right?
Nick, son, I think we got bigger problems.
First aid here. No!
Everybody ready?
Nope. Coach. Yeah? No. Time to move.
Sure, I'm with you.
I got
I'm
you.
with you.
Right behind you.
Follow me.
Let's get to the street.
That zombie's carrying something.
Reloading.
ain't so good for us down here. No harm in going down. Let L help you.
Bill's here. Reloading.
Look out!
Reloading. Take that, you mealy-mouthed bastards!
Grab a shotgun.
Reloading!
Reloading! Got him.
Reloading!
This way.
Hell yeah, I'm with you.
Cannon! First aid. I opened it. Charger! One of you people come and get me, please? Reloading here! Thanks, bro.
Hey, no time to be gentle. Let's get
Well,
you up
boys,
on
this
your
looks
feet.
like it for me.
Much obliged.
Shit.
Y'all.
Gotta heal my ass.
Yo, I'm hurt.
Reloading.
Move your ass! It's on!
I'm not gonna make it much longer, my friends.
Bill's here.
Charlie Kirk will carry the flame. We'll fight for the gospel. We'll honor his name. We are Charlie Kirk. His courage our own. Together unbroken, we'll make heaven known. The battle is raging. The darkness will fall. We rise with the spirit. We answer the call. The truth is eternal. The cross is our guide. With God as safe room, and it's dry. Spitters around.
I don't trust that biker. He better still be here.
He'll be there.
You know him that well?
I just have a good feeling.
You got a good feeling about every scumbag that lives on a bridge?
Sometimes you just gotta have faith, Nick.
Yeah, you go first.
Oh, yeah.
You should heal up.
Thanks for telling us about the goddamn sewer.
Which? Oh, sorry. Got confused by all your crying.
Man, he got you, Nick. It's like he's known you forever.
You know what? Screw both of you. Okay? So what are we doing here?
Cry your way over to the elevator and then sob your way down to the generator, fill it up with your tears, and we'll take care of the rest.
Right behind you.
Time to get going.
Hell yeah, I'm with you.
Let's go, let's go.
Hold on, y'all. I gotta
Yeah.
heal. That's what I'm talking about.
The minute we get down there, I am shooting that biker.
Yep.
Anyone out there?
Got it!
Sweet shot.
Hold on now. Here you go.
Got it. It's about to get serious.
Jockey!
I got a can. Reloading. Guns here.
I'm reloading.
Go, go, go!
I got it.
What was that thing coming down here?
All right.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Hang on. This might sting a bit.
Got it.
Look out!
I got a can.
Watch out! Watch out!
I got it.
Almost out of here. I'm filling the generator. Pouring it in.
We still need 5 more.
Just 3 more.
Reloading.
Pouring it in. Just 2 more.
Wait a second. I gotta...
First aid kit here.
Reloading.
Real good.
Shit.
Watch out! Let's get you up on your feet.
Pull yourself together, man. You're
Lead him back to Lewis. Keep shooting.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Keep your britches on. I'm coming.
I got a can. Why doesn't anything have enough gas in it? One more can to go.
This is not how it's gonna end.
We got inbound. Ammo.
I got it.
Filling the generator.
Okay. All right, I can do this.
This ain't how I thought you'd do it.
I'm gonna mess this up.
All right, now I'm back.
Gotta reload.
Be safe, you three.
Get to your car. We'll hold them off.
It's here, let's go!
Lighten it up. Thanks, you three.
Run to Jimmy Gibbs Jr.
I think we're gonna be seeing more of that guy.
Where? At the mall?